rat race. Oh, what a rat race. Oh, what a rat race. This is the rat race. Some are lawful, some are bastard, some are jacketer. Oh, what a rat race, yes. Rat race, rat race. Some are gaga, some are oligana, some are guinea gaga. In this your rat race. My loves, good morning. Hey. Good morning, my dear children. Wanna do wagwana wagwana. Welcome back to my channel. Reasons with chin. Big up to all lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families. Enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And on to all the new subscribers. Special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. My loves, hey, my loves. My loves, hey, rat race, rat race, oh, what a rat race. So, my dear children, me a pass over one part, over so. Me a Agnes. We never plan for gonna with my love. We just a walk out, you understand? We were just strolling out. And we come across one headlines over Madame Ladonna yard. So me say, no, Agnes, we got to stop for this one. We got to stop her. So I sort of, my loves, me had Agnes branch off. Can remember, say me telling her, say, the Madame Ladonna don't live there anymore. Yes, she has moved on, but it look like, say, sometime, she take a 1 and 2 stop. Yes, my love, depending on what's going on out here. No, my loves, she passed back through the diaspora, my love. She passed back. And when me say she come back this trip, she return. Hey, when me loves, when me say she return in a manner. She come out ranting, raving, kicking, screaming. Hey, one of the time, my love, me sure say she gonna catch ear going on. Me feeling on myself say, Lord have mercy, this is it. She gonna catch ear go. The only thing did left for my love, she fall into a temper tantrum. But when me say she come out, she come right out. Yes, Baba. And away she come out, in the defense of the V lady. Yes, Baba. And single out a few names. Yeah, she speak about the Mr. Ashanti man. Yeah, she call him name. She call the landlord. That Erica. Yes, my love. She call for her name. She call 13 name. And she talk about the tiki blogger them over YouTube. My love, the tiki blogger. She speak about the tiki bloggers them in the children. I me a Agnes herself into the tickiness, my love. I feel like I say she ever to me a Agnes herself to call with tiki bloggers. Yes, my dear children. Yes, my love, she makes way into the tickiness, my loves. And she's a tiki, my love. She speak on the tiki bloggers, them, my dear children. And me sit down over there and me I watch her, my love, so till me job on them hang down and drop her ground because and say the way how she come, me shock. Me I say, but if my memory serve me right, then I know this here woman here, did I know her all hand drag the V lady and her daughter a while back. You understand? Me remember say, say this here woman here ride the woman and her daughter, me love. I mean, I talk like no little one girl up, me love, pan the riding. Me I talk just I ride them, I galang so till me don't know how them foot no catch fire, me love, me don't know how them no gash. Can me remember pan one specific argument when I grew on here, with the man, the man where the men I say, the coming to one call him name back out here and no bangarang, because and say, him a do for him thing, my minding business, in enough of my drama, and I don't mix up the same man where the men I say, him a pedo. Yes, me remember that one day, clearly how she come out for the V lady, me dear children. And as usual, she come out and her Tory them not treat, her Tory them lean up because say she's known for not getting her informations correctly before she come and attack people out here. You understand me, my love? Because I remember that the V lady was not defending the man. She was defending the grand pitney them because instead the pitney them name and I call up out here. So she did came out in defense half the pitney them, not the man. But she know the Madam Ladana, the lady, she did take it to a whole nother level. You understand? She did take it to a whole different level out here. Pandivi lady. So made it kind of shock. But me say, you know, me can mind me business and listen to where she has say baba. Yes, no, my dear love. So, you know, she come out and she call up the people them name and then she go as far as to say, you know, everybody out here is a set a very ago. Yes, my loves. But correction to you, Madam Ladana, correction to you, cause me no understand how you point fingers so understand because say you left out yourself when you talk about the variego. You can't do that. You can't be so unfair. You have to put yourself into the variego category too, Madam Ladana. Because even in this video, the way how you're behaving, the way how you're sounding, a variego mentality that too, you know. A variego mentality too. And things where you do and say in the past, so you can't mistake yourself and haul yourself out tight and a point finger by everybody else when you understand you yourself behaving like the variegos. You can't do that, man. You can't do that. If me even have to go up some more, you understand space there for you. So if me even have to go up some more and squeeze you somewhere, if fit you back in the variego category. Or if you want to go up front, me can beg somebody give you a cut, but you're not out of it. So you have to put yourself in it. So when you talk, say we. Don't say them are, they are uno. Say we. For me no understand how you come out in so much rage and anger when you do the same thing. You did the same thing, Madam Ladana. You don't listen when people talk to you. You give blind ears and you give deaf ears and you do what you want. You do what your mind tell you to do. You not get facts straight. You too right this lady and her child. So you want to say you're not guilty? You're guilty as charged. All right now. Nothing is wrong with you, you know. Even though you say you left, but nothing wrong with you coming back and touch my little pines when you want to do it. Are you coming out and defending the V lady? Nothing wrong with that either. Cause I not really that the part them me come fit talk about. Me come fit talk about the part them where you are single out people. You understand? You are single out people. And of course them have things where you yourself is guilty of. For at this point now, you know, Madam Ladana, you come like say, your white towel is clean and it never soil. So that shock me, shock me. For the whole of we out here blogging, the whole of we out here blogging, and there is no unbiasedness out here. Not one unbiasedness no out here. Uno coulda deal, uno coulda come out and say, oh, me no bias, me no bias. All when uno I go say, uno no depend no sides whatsoever. There is still a particular side, you understand, where you lean towards at some point in time. So don't do it, Madam Ladana, don't do it. If you're coming to defend the V lady, then you come defend her. You understand me? All right. No, me love. She says she not go sit down and watch nobody a drag the V lady all over the place. Cause when she used to come and lick out against the V lady, she get whole heap of cuss out and class out, say she jealous of the V lady and she bad mind. One more correction this for you again, Madam Ladana. Fa, you say lick out. You never a lick out, Madam Ladana. You never a lick out. You was dragging. You was dragging this woman and you was dragging her bikini. So don't come pretty up nothing and talk about when you did a lick out. You never lick out, Madam Ladana. Madam Ladana, you wasn't licking out. You was dragging. No, she say, the woman no have no right to affiliate affiliate herself with the Mr. Ashanti man, the Kingston 13 lady, and the Erica. My dear children, she say, big bad and bold, you know man. Big bad and bold. She said, anybody want come for her, them can come for her if them want. Yeah, but small, bad girl. Big, bad, and bold. And she no stop there, so now you know, my love. She go after the people them who support them. But Madam Ladana, come here again, man. It no matter what you say, it no matter what you do, you could have come out here and a squeal. Like how when Haga get butcher. You can't have people from support who them want support. And the same way how people did that support you when you come out here and do for you every day, man. And the same way people are going to support them as well. So no better hearing, no better barring. That's why you go me love her, no better barring, no better hearing. Me don't know, barring or barrel. I don't know about something like that. All if you are the most HATED individual out there, you have people who are going to support you. If you are the worst individual out there, you still have people who are going to support you. So, the fact that you move on, no matter how far you move on, gone. You understand? You were doing the same thing like anybody else out there. Same thing. So, no matter how you go convince yourself, my dear child, you are do this. You were. Well, you still are do the same thing. Not even, you're still doing the same thing. You probably might not come out so regular. You understand? You might not go so hard like how you used to. You don't go. But you're guilty, Madam Ladana. You're still guilty, man. No fool yourself. The mere facts are you still pass through over here when you're ready. Where that say? Where that say? That mean you can't move on. Because you still a come back. You can't move on, boo. Whether you want to accept it or not, the mere facts are you still a come back. Even if you're not blogging, but you're watching. It's obvious you're watching. Me, I listen you, you're watching. You're deep same way right. You might not come out and say every day and daily. Yeah, but you're still a watch, man. You're still a look. Or you would know so much I want to keep over here. There's no way you would have know so much I want to keep. So anything where you say, anything at all where you fling out there, you understand? Dash yourself in it to and take your own advice. You're in a no way, shape, or form different from anybody else, Madam Ladana. I'm sorry, but it's the truth. The truth is an offense, but it's a no sin. So right now, you're not in a no position to come out for nobody. You're not in a no position to come out for nobody, Madam Ladana. Mm-mm. When your slate clean, then you can talk. But right now, your slate not clean, Madam Ladana. Not make you look so bad, man. All the things them where you say about the V lady, the lies them where you tell about the V lady. I know one time, I know two times, and several times. So you make it look like I say you're holy Madam Mary, mama. Everybody out here are adults. Anything them I get into, them know. Everybody say all that is happening out here on social media with these people. And if people are stupid enough, they go get themselves entangled in a certain thing so that they can be dragged in a certain things. Then who is to be blamed? Them have to blame themselves. Nobody never hold no pipe by them head. We are all grown out here. And even though you look out past certain things, Madam Ladana, you still a talk about the lady daughter. You still a mention her. Whether you mention her in a good way or you mention her in a bad way, you still a mention her and I bring up past stories pertaining to her. So tell me now how you're different. You could have come out and you could have addressed the lady situation and all we are galang, and don't put the bikini into it. Or if you even put her into it and mention something, have you bring up back the past with the whole RAPE thing. Me personally not believing and nobody will drag nobody pitney out here. None whatsoever. Me not endorse that. Me not entertain that. Make the lady deal with her pitney how she want to deal with her pitney. You understand? Make she deal with her child in her own personal time and personal space. That enough in that a soul business out here. If you're not going to talk about the lady, fine, for she put herself out here, right? So once you come out here in the public, people are going to talk about you. Whether you like what people are going to say, or you going to dislike what people are going to say, you're out here, people are going to talk about you. And listening to you now, all me hear you I make excuses. You understand? You're making excuses for the things what you do and say in the past pertaining to the V lady. And I give reasons why you do it. We are saying now make a sense, Madam Ladana. The milk already spill, it can't take up back. So nobody come make no excuse. You understand? Nobody come make no excuse. Damage already done, my love. Damages are already done. And you still believe the facts that the woman did out here and defend the man. You understand the grandfather? You still believe it because you bring it up back in your video where you do. You understand? You bring it up back and you mention it. So you still believe say, the woman did defend the man. So that simple means you never go look for yourself. You never watch both videos. Even if you watch, you know, watch all right, you never watch the man video, you never watch the woman video. For Sissy, she wasn't defending the man, she was defending the babies. So you're still guilty of dragging, you're still guilty of the dragging. It no matter how you take it, how you put it, how you want to say it, you're still guilty of it, Madam Ladana. So nobody fool yourself. You understand? Nobody fool yourself, man. Nobody do that. Anyways, my love, anyway, my love, I got to run now. You understand? So, big up on yourself. Enjoy the rest of the day. And I will see you now into another video. All right. So, peace out later.